Namaste, I am JVN Dr. Suren Kumar Srivastava from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today we will discuss the definition of differential equation. Any relation between the dependent variable and independent variable is called a differential equation if it involves differential coefficient of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. Classification of differential equation. First, ordinary differential equation, and second, partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation: a differential equation which moves only the independent variable, which involves only one independent variable, is called an ordinary differential equation. For example, dy over dx is equal to m, this is equation first, and d2y over dx square plus a square y is equal to sec ax, this is second, and d2y over dx square plus 2x dy over dx plus root 1 plus dy over dx to the whole of square is equal to 2, this is equation third, are ordinary differential equation because each of them involves only one independent variable. Now, the partial differential equation. A differential equation which involves partial differential coefficient with respect to more than independent variable is called a partial differential equation. For example, diver u over diver x is equal to k diver u over diver y, this is 4, diver square u over diver x square plus diver square u over diver y square plus diver square u over diver z square is equal to 0, this is 5. Now we will see order of a differential equation. The order of a differential equation is the order of the highest differential coefficient which occurs in it. Thus, equation first and 4 are of the first order, while second, third, and fifth are the second order. Degree of a partial differential equation. The degree of a differential equation is the same of the highest degree coefficient which occurs in it. After the differential equation has been made free from radical and fractions as far as the differential coefficient are concerned. Thus, equation first, second, fourth, and fifth are of the first degree. Now, linear and non-linear differential equation. A differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable y and its differential coefficient occurs only in the first degree. Now we will talk on the formation of differential equation. For understanding the formation of differential equation, we see arbitrary constant. What is arbitrary constant? Differential equations are formed as the result of elimination of arbitrary constant. Therefore, in order to find how many arbitrary constants will occur in the solution of differential equation, it is worthwhile to study how the differential equation can be formed if the solution is known. Let us consider the solution f of x comma y comma a is equal to 0. This is equation first, where a is constant. Differential of the given a relation among x, y, comma a and dy over dx by phi of x comma y comma dy over dx comma a is equal to 0. This is equation second. Elimination of a between first and second while give us a relation among x comma y comma dy over dx. Say psi of x comma y dy over dx is equal to 0. This is evidently a differential equation of the first order to contain one arbitrary constant. Further, suppose the solution be f of x comma y comma a comma b is equal to 0. This is equation third. So that there are now two arbitrary constants a and b. In order to able to eliminate these constants, we have phi 1 x comma y dy over dx comma a comma b is equal to 0 and phi 2 x comma y dy over dx d2y over dx square a comma b is equal to 0. This is phi. Elimination of a and b from third and fourth and fifth, we have psi of x comma y dy over dx comma d2y over dx square is equal to 0, which is the differential equation of the second order. Thank you.